Another rainy day in the village, where the world slows to the rhythm of falling drops. It's 5 p.m. and the sun bows low, casting a golden veil over the fields. The buffalo and cows munch contentedly, their calves close by, savoring the earth's bounty. But me, I, Rustico, the king of this quiet realm, must wait. My prize is the warm, frothy milk fresh from the buffalo, a royal treat for a cat like me. While I wait for my milk, I seize a moment to play. The summer's heat had us all wilting, but today, the rain has washed away the heaviness. Rain is a blessing, a gift that revives the soul of the earth. As the poet Rumi once wrote, "Raise your words, not voice. It is rain that grows flowers, not thunder." This drizzle is my canvas. I paint it with my paws. As a minimalist cat, I need no lavish toys. A twig, a leaf, a puddle, these are my treasures. I believe life's joy lies in savoring the simple and finding wonder in the ordinary. In my feline wisdom, I see the folly of the modern world. Humans chase wealth, power, and fleeting desires, tangling their hearts in knots. But we cats, we seek only the warmth of companionship, the thrill of a playful moment. As the Sufi mystic Jalaluddin Rumi said, "Beyond our ideas of right doing and wrong doing, there is a field. I'll meet you there." I, Rustico, live in that field, a place of simplicity and presence. Whether I have one toy or none, I am content. All I need is a trusted friend to share my days. Companionship is my heart's desire, yet trust is a delicate thread. I play only with those I know, villagers whose hands carry the scent of kindness, whose voices hum with familiarity. Strangers? I keep my distance, for a king guards his heart. When I'm alone, I ponder. Humans are vital to us cats, yet so many of us wander in solitude. I dream of a world where every cat finds a friend, where every moment is shared in trust and joy. And so, my day ends with the sweet reward of milk and the quiet of twilight. I, Rustico, the wise cat of the village, remind you, find joy in the small, trust in the familiar, and let the rain wash away your worries. Until next time, may you live simply and love deeply. Back,